come and tell me why I suppose say una deserve marriage. Now only thing I want here. Come and give me reason, because there is no difference between Abi. Okay, unless you work on list, Abi, I can't list single mother where they different from you for us. If you Abi, if you agree, as you don't agree, I say you be a shewo. You use belly, they sleep around. You can't see body picking, because they sleep around. You go to away picking. You to away picking. You wait the way the one where you do a big boom boom. Why man will come marry you? Make you go to away you. Tell me, see now, in everything that will make a man choose a single mother, let's list, let's try and check. Maybe as she born for men now, she takes care of the child very well. She becomes very, very responsible. Then you can then do her a favor. So what you will look up to? You will look up to say, you don't already born for other men. You feel forfeit that one. You feel forfeit, say, I suppose start with woman. I don't suppose your family. I suppose start family. You forfeit that one. Abi. Then you forfeit, say, you not meet her as a V. But how you want to forfeit, say, how you want to forfeit the fact, say, she dey throw away picking when she don't already get. The baggage when she don't already get, she can throw her anywhere. You want to come and make her throw away your own journal. So what thing be the thing when man go look now? What is the character man go look? Beauty and pick you. Which character I want look now to talk say you deserve marriage? Because now you not deserve marriage. Now my topic one they cry for. Even the useless men when pick the one they don't use finish. Now they see they cry for. Imagine the idiot when pick the one be say almost all my guys don't sleep with. Because me I don't go join and sleep with Yeye. Yeye nothing come out now talk says that they sleep with them. God forbid bad thing. It's not even a joke. I don't go join and sleep with Yeye. Even the ones where people say everybody don't sleep with them, you and person go, you not go there for party. Everybody where they the party will be 10 men. 6 for inside the 10 don't sleep with them. And the reason why the other 4 never sleep with them, now because the other 4 no they sleep with dirty things. Not because say she not give them more, now because say now they don't want. How can you be comfortable being with a woman like this one? And this one say make I can't talk say in deserve marriage. See your shame and disgrace. Not be me drag you. Now analyze you for fake account. Now I foresee your record.
You know when they use to talk. You know green on a fucking brother. They pull market. They pull market. Brother. Don't go miss all of my boyfriend. I don't know why people are my boyfriend. Pick all of they fight for Paris. Now my boyfriend all pick all of they fight for TikTok for Paris.
You they drink beauty. You and you better go road. They use one for inside camion. You know they come again. They pay you so. You not be a shower they come press your shower. I shower they come press your shower.
You don't ever see anybody a shower.
When they come press your shower.
You don't ever see a shower.
Now I want your video. Now picture when they take you for camion. Now I want
oh yeah now. Bring her out.
I go show you.
Ejiro bring her out.
Ejiro bring her out. Now me be that one.
Ejiro bring her out.
I say I go bring her Gloria. William Gloria.
Ejiro now what I first talk. I said my daughter when you lie for your head, my daughter have will work against you for this Paris. My daughter when you lie for your head, I will work against you for this Paris.
Because when you bring the result you're picking a virgin. I dare you.
Oh yeah now. And if I do I won't do Nisha.
Odogu wife. Who be this one they invite me back up play game? Odogu wife. If you not see your name now, Odogu wife, if they watch me as I do this live video now, drop you don't there for up Not be so una go dey watch, not be so na the power tap. Since I never see power tap, how you got to mistakenly send request?
I beg, drop me, I don't know.
Drop me, I know.
Thank you, no, my baby don't press her.
Yeah, baby, just press her. Why you know the power tap for me? Why you don't mistakenly power tap for me?
I dey power tap, oh,
yeah, the power tap. I'm a boss. Oh yeah, you not give me. You not power tap. You say your baby mistakenly send request. Okay, you happy now as this one now. You dey happy now as this one now. Only in now they don't use stay born. Only in now you still the drag camel. He say make I talk saying deserve marriage. You will give her to your brother. No, you will let your brother marry her. No, let's be honest with ourselves. That person where they gather single mother say, Zad, you don't know what they talk. You will marry this one and come and tell me, say, come and point the one way different from this one inside their group. How can you search the different one inside 99.9%? If you want to search for gallon of oil and all the gallons are covered red, you understand? You cannot identify inside. You don't go fit cite them the content of what is there inside the gallon. They can put them 100. And inside that 100, so that only one inside that 100, then be the one where oil really day. And the time make you go bring oil come out. When you cannot see the content, when it's not visible, how you want to go pick that one inside 100 come out? Now so it be to find good single mother. Now so it be. Now so it be. To find that single mother when they want make I talk say deserve marriage. Now so it be. It just be like say they miss oil, they miss water, they miss fuel. Then they say make you use hand. Fetch one come outside. The one where will go the down. They'll say may you put hand, may you fetch hand. That is how you can look for. You not go feel see. I've said it many times. For the one where be say you think say good. Now because say they never play in cassette for you. So not guilty until proven guilty. That means they are all guilty, but they never prove them. Now you make you say they ain't good. Come on, feet, man. Then the next one they will tell you say they don't change. Next one they'll tell you say they don't change.
That's not children. Now children they give una. Now children they give una. Now they give una mind. If una want insult person, now children now go for your children. Don't insult your children.
One beg them, he want to work. They say you not call. But you not call.
Bugatti they come every day. Now me tell I say lever. I don't want to rubbish myself. Bugatti they call me every day. Now me talk I don't want to rubbish myself.
Why you they beg?
I'm not.
Now, there is somebody on this video when they play, so they call her Big Match. Big Match. Big Match, na man in bio. Now, he comment for that, he say, na you born for, why she go bring DNA? Just the play. Maybe you did among people where they sleep with her now. But your end is very close. You understand? Your downfall, they're very, very, very close to you. Because I tell men, I say go to every live video. Don't let a woman tell you, if they record me, they go Facebook, maybe they hear. A man, listen. Go to every ugly post. Go to every ugly live video. Go see whether your girlfriend or your wife, they comment for there. Why you tell you something you know they TikTok. Go and check whether she they comment for there. Now you will tell me whether you get wife or be you get girlfriend. Not be one don't reach out to person when I say wait till you and Zaddy they talk now truth oh. If you see the comment when I go see for my wife on Facebook, I view her my zoomer. Yes. Let woman tell you say I don't want a man waiting for TikTok because of her bad character. She want to continue committing nuisance. And for those of them when they see when wife they commit nuisance, when I go day, when I go they look at, when I wife they commit nuisance, when I go they look at. You understand? This Pamela, you just send request. What happen? Why you keep sending requests? If they block you, and they will say they block you. Maybe not your colleague. May I play your colleague shame and disgrace? No worry.
Like that. That's not children. Now children they give una. Now children they give una.
Moyoyo is shining. Comment section. Comment section. I'm gonna write up. Moyoyo is shining. Moyoyo is shining. Mona write not be only Ado is shining. Moyoyo is shining. Tomorrow you'll see them. No qualities of Esan women in them. Finish generation. generation. This generation. Look at them. Oh, there. Zaddy say you don't deserve marriage. You say why Zaddy go talk say you don't deserve marriage? When till you take deserve marriage? When you the drag coming, when you the drag where to do ashago, now you take deserve marriage. Only you when they don't use bond. Who even use you bond? You not even know because when you accuse say you must do DNA. Now you the deportant to Nigeria. Only you bad luck my. Then tomorrow now you come you tell me say Zaddy the gang work, Zaddy gang work, Zaddy gang work, but your work now your leg. Zaddy go and work. Zaddy go and work. Your work na your leg. Your work na your leg. Your toto dey for main road. Zaddy go and work. Zaddy no dey work. Guys, Zaddy dey live video. I know one man wey dey live video. How you one man wey dey live video? When your shame at this days dey inside live video. Now how you tell one man now when dey TikTok? When be say the man will consider this record now. Now why you know one man when dey TikTok? Because now waiting to do all those men don't finish. Finish men, no, not that TikTok now. Don't come to TikTok. In this 2026, you're not there for social media. You say you're not a social media person, you're a foolish man. It's either you are social media or you are inside for the bottle. It's either as a man you are on social media or you are inside of a feeding bottle. Now two things. Shebi I hear now when they talk say where the man will lock for bottle. Odogu the beer Odogu. But today inside woman feeding bottle. They put it for handbag, but you the beer Odogu. Odogu when they inside woman purse. The same person they pack condom put, they put lubricants, they put bola, plastic bola, Amazon, then they go road work. Now you day, you they call yourself Odogu. Man, I share the live video, go give her. You be Odogu, they put you inside purse. They use pack condom, pack this thing. Put inside of you for inside purse, carry you the go road work. No enter TikTok now. Is either you are on TikTok or you are inside of a feeding bottle. Now two things. The man when they put for inside feeding bottle for Italy that day, when he talk say